What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we finally got the steering wheel put on. I promised you guys that I was gonna put a new steering wheel. This is the old one. I do not miss it. I really don't at all, though. It was just too big and too huge and stuff like that, though. I don't miss it. So now we have the Sparco steering wheel. So the only thing I lost is the the cruise control, but you don't really need that, especially on a manual car, though. So I should be good. I have the the windshield wipers working fine, and the turn signal working fine. I do have the airbag light on. This steering wheel, the hub did not come with the. It's a momo hub, actually, though. It did not come with the a resistor, a secondary resistor. So that's the reason why the airbag light on. That's not biggie, though. So yeah, man, that's how it is. Yeah, keep you guys posted. Guys, I'm really loving the new Sparco wheel. It's a suede Sparco wheel. It's not expensive at all. I think it was a couple $100. We also have the momo hub for it. The airbag light is on because it's missing one resistor. That is not a big deal to me, but I'll get it fixed in the next couple weeks once I get the resistor. I think it's a 3.3 ohm resistor, so should be good on that. So yep, driving with one hand. So but yeah, man, I'm loving the feel of it, though. The other wheel was just too big. Ouch, I just hit a big not paying attention. Yeah, but this steering wheel right here, the stock one, is too big, so I don't miss it. I love this a lot, though. The car feels more like a go-kart right now, though. I just need to work on suspension and all that good stuff, though. So yeah, it should be good. Would be nice to get new seats and new wheels, and then after that we should be all good. Don't recommend driving with one hand. I'm just doing this for POV. So also my new steering wheel, Sparco, feels good. The diameter of it is it's a lot smaller. Like I said before, stock steering wheel it was too big, man. It's like a truck steering wheel. So I like this one. The car feels more like a go-kart right now. So definitely feel a lot more like a race car, so if I could, I actually want to do everything interior Sparco. That way I don't mix too many things. So yeah, but the car does feels good, though. If I was to track it, I think this steering wheel will feel a lot better because it's a lot smaller. So yep. Alright, guys, this is the next day. It's actually Saturday. Early on I went to start the car did not want to start. What I'm thinking is when they replaced the steering wheel, they left the doors open, which eventually killed the battery, though. So that's for a reason what happened. But again, I want to say thanks to Amazon. I bought this thing last year, right before my trip to Kenya. It's a car jump starter, and what I did is last time I charged it was in November of last year. Today's February. I think February 15 or 16, and I just went ahead inside the house, picked it up, jump started the battery, and the car started well. And then I went to the gas station, forgot that I have a weak battery, though, so my car died. I died again. I went ahead and jumped it with this, and it worked. And again, last time I charged this thing, it was in November, and it still had the 4 bars that it normally has, the 4 lights that you see up there, though. So it still has them, so it's a good thing. So when you get a chance, just go ahead and get you one. That's the part number CEP204. It's really good. It's small, and you don't have to carry those huge cables or anything like that. So Anyways, I decided to go ahead and buy a battery from Subaru. Subaru is actually pretty good. Buying an OEM battery is not that bad. This one was only 200 bucks actually though, so that's not bad actually, you know. So I decided to just go ahead and buy one from them. But I hope the alternator is good. That's the last thing I want to fail. So but yeah, here's the old one. It's starting to show signs of corrosion anyways, so it's pretty bad. Guys, the reason why I don't show my engine bay because it's not pretty, right? The other car had a big turbo right here, 64, 66. At one point I had a 67, 66, 67. I can't quite remember. It's one of those, but I had that. So this one doesn't look pretty. Front mounted coils need some help. I thought I could do something with the engine this year, probably not. But hopefully next year, well, we never know. If things turn out to be good and money is there, money is flowing, I'll go ahead and do the rotator kit. But yeah, I do have some good goodies. That's a G35 Garrett turbo. So it's not too bad, just that it doesn't look pretty, right? So it would be nice if it was a pretty good looking car. So I got rubber that's falling off, so yeah, I do have quite a bit. I do have a lot of things to fix on this car actually though. Now that I think about it though, probably do that sometime this year too though. Like this rubber piece here needs to be replaced. Yeah man, but anyways, that's how it looked like. Yes sir, let's get it on. So I went ahead and put the camera down because I was dropping tools and everything like that. So everything that's new is always looks good. So I just put in the new battery in. Looks good. It's not going anywhere. I'm trying to shake it, it's not going anywhere. That's the old one in there. So I should be taking this back to Subaru so I can get $18 back.
What?
It's always good to save money where you can. So yeah, so car's good. Oh, I'm tripping over stuff. That's actually my water bottle. So yeah, car is done. Yeah, like I said, Sparco wheel looks good. So I don't know, man. The wheels, I'm still on the fence about it though. I like the way these wheels look like when the car is stopped and not moving, but when the car is in motion, I just don't like the way they look. You know, they just, I'm not a big fan of them, but we'll see. It's between that and, like I say, the seats. So the seats will be the next thing too though. So we'll see. And I went ahead and disconnected the carb access because it kept staying on. I don't know why it's staying on even though I have it staying off. So that may have killed the battery too though. But what I do think is when they put the steering wheel yesterday, they had the doors open and pretty much just killed the battery though. Even though, you know, that was a old battery though. It's from 2017, so it actually lasted a long time. So it was on its way out. I was surprised that it didn't die earlier, but yeah, it was on its way out. But I wanted to replace that. You know, next thing you know, I don't want to kill the alternator either, because now things get expensive when you start talking about the alternator. So yep, should be good though. Thank you guys for subscribing and looking at the channel and everything and commenting. You know, if you guys have any questions from the Subaru, the Lexus, or the Toyota, the Corolla that we have, just let me know, ask me. I'm very happy to answer your questions. For Subaru peeps or Subaru guys, this is not the fastest Subaru. Obviously it's pretty slow. It's 389 horsepower at the wheels, so it's probably around 400 and something at the crank. So my last car, you know, was 555, 554. I don't even remember the numbers very well. That car was fast. This one is very fun. The power is very deliverable. Like I said, we're running a Garrett 35R. It's right there, stock location. So if it wasn't for us doing other stuff, like I said, like right now we're doing cosmetic works. I just fixed the fenders not too long ago. This was rusted, as you guys saw in the video. So if it wasn't for the cosmetic stuff, because this car is very needy when it comes to looking good. If it wasn't for that, then we would be making good power by now though. Probably by now we'll be probably making close to 500, you know. But with this motor, this engine was put in 2012 by the previous owner back in the days, I guess. Not the previous owner, but the owner before that, because the person that I bought it from didn't really even have this car for too long. So it's the previous owner, I believe, from Colorado. He put in the engine for it. It's IG 550, so it's lasted that long. It's a good engine, so it gets dark in here, man. Let me see. So yeah, man. So we're gonna leave the engine there just the way it is for now. Things are expensive now, as you can see. The economy, everything's just up through the roof. You can't seem to catch a break on this stuff. Don't want to get political at all. And all that has nothing to do with me. But I just hope one day that somebody's gonna listen to us and live a better life, man. But yeah, that is it right there. And again, thank you guys for subscribing. And yeah, have a good weekend. And I'll catch you guys later.